Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to show you how I made this DIY perfume organizer. Everything's from the Dollar Tree and this one is really easy. I am super excited today because I am partnering with Scentbird. Scentbird is a, if you don't know what Scentbird is, they are a perfume subscription service. They have over 450 different types of designer perfumes. Basically how it works is you pay $14.95 and they send you the perfume of your choice every month. Now it is a smaller amount of perfume than you would get for a whole bottle, but it's a significant amount. I'm going to show you how much you actually get in a bottle. Now the good thing about it is you can go on their website and you can basically see what notes are in the perfume if you wanted to try something new that you've never tried before, and then you can also see ratings on the perfume that other users have went in and put on there. I love the idea of this perfume subscription because I am a huge perfume person and I'm always wanting to try different types of perfume, but that can be pretty hard on the budget. So with Scentbird, this is very affordable. My daughter has already signed up, and I mean, I just think it's a win-win with this subscription service. Now let me show you what it looks like. So it comes in this case. It's sort of like a lipstick dispenser, and you just basically twist it and then you can spray. Now each one of these has 120 sprays in it. So basically if you spray 4 times a day, 30 days in a month, it's supposed to be enough to last you for the whole month. Now this one right here that I have, this is DKNY Be Delicious. So some of you might be familiar with that. They sell that in Sephora, and I know that a bottle of this is like about $60 in Sephora. And you get a good amount. I mean, it's enough to last you for that month for $14.95. And I just love the casing. It just looks like you can easily put it in your purse. I've just been throwing it in my pocket or my purse if I want to take it with me. This is Versace Bright Crystal. This is a beautiful scent. If you go on the website and you look at this, it almost has 5 out of 5 stars. I do love their website because you can look at feedback from what other people that have bought the perfume, how they felt about it. And so click on the link and check it out. See if it's something that you might be interested in. I love the concept of it. That's why when they reached out to me, I jumped right on it because I love the concept of this, because I love trying out different types of perfumes. And this is an affordable way to do it. So this is the way it's going to come in this nice little black bag. Then you just pull that out and turn it, and you can start spraying your perfume. Now let's jump right into this DIY. This one is really easy, very straightforward. I have it here in my bathroom, so let me show you what I use to make it. I use 6 of these organizers with the lid and some hot glue. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to line up 3 of the organizer. I have removed the lid. I'm not going to use that in this project, and I'm just going to glue them side by side. And I found out that it's very important to make sure they are lined up properly, because they will have your organizer kind of wanting to tip over, but we're gonna address that anyway. But just try to make them as straight as possible. And then I'm going to glue 2 of them together, making sure they're straight. Now I'm going to take the first one with 3, and then I'm going to glue the one with 2 on top of it using my hot glue gun. And I'm not putting a lot of glue on this because I don't want it to look messy. So I'm going to put as little as possible, but I want to make sure also that it's sturdy enough not to come apart. And then I'm going to put the last one at the top. Just putting a dot of glue in every corner and just lining it up to make sure that it's straight. Now the next thing I'm going to use are these stackable organizer drawers, and I'm going to use 3 of those I'm basically building the base of this perfume organizer with these 3 organizers right here, and I'm just going to glue them together side by side. Side by side. Okay, and I put a significant amount of glue on these because they're going to be the base, and they're going to have to, you know, hold all the weight of the perfumes that I put in there. Now, once I put these together, I'm going to put the entire unit that I just made on top, and I'm going to pretty much just center it up. You can put it further to the back or you can bring it to the front, but I like it just centered up in the middle. And I'm going to put a significant amount of glue on this as well. I'm just going to try to, you know, keep it pretty neat as I can get it. You can also use E6000 glue for this. I just wanted to use hot glue in this case, but you can use E6000 as well. And I did not want to add too much to this. I wanted the perfumes to really stand out, so I didn't want to do too much. Now I added this love sign on top. I just used hot glue to attach it, and I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. So I do apologize for that. Guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love this. I love how clean it is, so it allows the perfumes to be seen versus having like a lot of diamond wrap or a lot of things around it. I just want it to be very clean lines and simple. So I absolutely love this. Guys, don't forget to click on the link in the description box so you can start getting your monthly perfume for only $14.95. Please like this video and share this video because it helps the channel out so much so that I can keep bringing you DIY. This is where I ended up putting it in my bathroom, on my bathroom counter. I love it on here. That way when I'm getting ready in the morning, I can just grab my perfume, or I can take my Scentbird dispensers with me. So guys, again, I would like to thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.